What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is MTV Alex, and in this video I'm gonna try to install my Ring doorbell. So I'm gonna start in the inside, locate the box for the bell, and install this thing that comes with the kit. Okay, located it and it's right there. And when you open it up, there should be a few wires in there. And I'm gonna look for the one that says transformer in front. And I can see that the red one is the transformer and the front is the white one. Now that I've located them, I'm gonna connect these two terminals from this transformer or ring thing into them. It doesn't matter which one goes which, and then you can stick it to the side, put the cover back on, and then we move to the outside. Now remember, you gotta have your power off completely. I couldn't find, I tried all my terminals, all my breakers, it didn't work, so I'm gonna be very careful. Like I said, it doesn't matter which one goes where. They're not polarity sensitive. And it's only 16 volts, so if you actually get shocked, it will not hurt too much. Alright, it's on, and it has a double-sided tape over here, so you can stick it to the side, put the cover back on, and then we can move outside. So the hard part is done. Let's go, well, kinda, let's go outside. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do right now is unscrew my old doorbell. And for that one has a flathead screwdriver. So I'm gonna take it off. Now you're supposed to do this with the power off, so you gotta find the electrical breaker for that and make sure you completely power off. I tried all my breakers, I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna be very careful. Hopefully it doesn't manage anything. So it comes with a toolkit. It comes with a screwdriver, with the Phillips, and the Torx, and the handle right here. I think this is a Ring 2 Pro, something like that, right here. And it comes with different face plates right there. And so I'm just gonna see what I can do right now. So I got two wires, and I'm gonna be very careful because these are live. So I'm gonna undo them right now. Okay, one is out. You can see that this one has a copper wire, and this one used to be, I think it's the red one. So I'm gonna pull them out a little bit with my pliers, because like I said, these might be light. They don't carry too much voltage anyway. But you can see whenever you touch them together, it makes the bell ring. So see right there, I don't know if you can see, but one of them inside is the white one and this one is the red one. So I'm gonna go with that and see what I gotta do. I gotta make new holes to mount this one because the ones that comes in it is not gonna line up over here. So I'm just gonna take my ring where I want to place it and mark the holes and drill them out. This kit comes with the provided drill bit, so it shouldn't be too hard to do so. So let me get that lined up, and hold on, let me set my camera down. And then we're gonna connect the Ring doorbell. Now the next step is to connect those two wires into these two terminals. It doesn't matter which one goes where. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna use my pliers because, like I said, I still got power going into this. Again, it's only 16 volts, so it shouldn't be too much of a shock, but just in case, if I use my pliers, I'll be safer. Again, if now, I don't know if you guys can see this, but my wires, they're like way too stripped, and every time they touch, of course, the bell rings. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put in a little bit of electrical tape around them to avoid any anything to go wrong. So let me go ahead and put that tape around it real quick. And now they're not touching. Now push them back in, and I'm gonna use the provided screws to mount this thing on. And we got power. So all you gotta do now is choose what ring plate you want to put on. You can go with that one. Comes with a black one, a brown one, and a tan. Now you will need to put this in pair mode and connect it to your Wi-Fi, and it will show us a ring or something like that. But supposedly this thing needs to be like turning, and right now it seems like it's been blinking and it's connecting all the way. And I did that by pressing this little button right here, and I need that to actually start spinning all the way around before I can connect it to my app. So I'm guessing that it's trying to connect and trying to completely power on before actually. It is now currently blinking at 11 o'clock, so it's been about 8-10 minutes since I've installed it. Let's see what it does. Man, this is weird. I have this from like 3 months ago, and now I'm just barely getting time to get it installed. So I don't know, trying to get my home smart a little bit at a time. I have a few smart rockers with dimmers and everything already installed. I have a couple of them, no, 3 of them already. I just ordered one for my garage because that's gonna be controlling a driveway light and the back patio light, but it's a double rocker, so I got that in hand, coming in tomorrow. And surprisingly, they're not that expensive anymore. So I got that double rocker, is like 21 bucks on Amazon right now, and the other one that had the dimmer, that was like 19 bucks. And then one time I got a pack of 4 regular rockers, but smart rockers, and that was like $30, $32, something like that, and it was a pack of 4. So surprisingly, the prices have been really affordable right now, because I mean, technology is just moving forward. It's not waiting for us, so give them a try. And it's really simple to change. The safest thing is to power off the breaker, turn the breaker off, and then just install it like you would install a regular any other outlet. It's not big rocket science. Anybody can do it. You will save a lot of money by doing it yourself, so I highly recommend you doing it. Now the first rocker that I got, it was because of we have a hot tub with jacuzzi on our master bedrooms. We hardly ever use it, but the actual switch to power on the jets was on the opposite wall, so you will have to get on and off the jacuzzi to get it turned on, so you will make a mess on the floor. So I went ahead and installed one of those one of those smart ones, so I can just control it with the Alexa app or the Google app and turn it on. So it's actually really neat now, because why not? So let's keep waiting on this thing to finish up, and it's almost there. All right, this thing's still blinking in the same spot. It's been now about 20 minutes, and for now it seems like everybody decided to actually start mowing the lawns while I'm doing this, which is, I guess, fine. And I'm just waiting for that thing to start doing what the phone shows that it's supposed to be doing. On camera it looks like it's doing it, but it's actually not. If I go farther back, you might be able to see blinking right at this spot, like around 10-11 o'clock. Okay, finished. Now it's spinning, and I did hear the setup thing going on, so I gotta go to my app. Like that. Is it blinking? Yes. I gotta connect. Got it. Connect. I'm gonna connect to that run right there, and it's connecting. That wheel still spinning. Connection successful.
Ring Doorbell is connected to the Ring app.
Okay, now I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. My password has been set.
Ring Doorbell is connecting to the internet. Just
Ring.
a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
It says that it's now connecting to my home Wi-Fi.
Your Ring Doorbell is ready to go. With Ring, you're always home.
So I click got it. Now the last step is to put in this plate. I'm gonna pick the black one, unless my wife makes me change it. And it comes with a Torx bolt that is gonna go on the bottom. That's just to secure the plate on it. So let me go ahead and get this installed right. Well, you get the idea. What I want to do is try to actually set this up. Skip for now, skip for now. Okay, so I want to see what happens now. I click in this, it says someone is at your front door. I click on that, allow, activating device, and there I am. I can see me, so I can speak. I can speak. I can speak. You can hear me on the run. I gotta make sure that it rings inside. And it does ring inside as well. So I am good to go. That is it for this one, guys. If you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.